Hello everyone, this is Balaji Kopala and I'm doing Masters in Information Technology Management and my student ID is 30118196. Today I'm discussing about cloud computing and types of cloud computing and its advantages, disadvantages and finally the conclusion. Let me discuss about the cloud computing and the brief description of cloud computing. Cloud computing is an internet-based computing whereby shared resources, software, and information are provided to computers and other devices on demand to the customers on a regular basis. Like, what is cloud computing? Like, cloud computing is nothing but a type of outsourcing of computer services. Cloud computing is internet-based computing where virtual shared servers provide software, infrastructure, platform, devices, and other resources where hosting with the customers on a pay-as-you basis. And coming to types of cloud computing, there are three types of cloud computing, which are private computing, private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Private cloud is a type whereby an organization internally or by using by third party within the organization. Public cloud is an open-ended cloud which is used for public use. There are only few differences between private cloud and public cloud. Coming to hybrid cloud is nothing but the combination of both private and public clouds. Apart from that, it should be a combination of two or more clouds. And coming to cloud computing architecture, the two most significant components of cloud computing architecture are known as the front end and the back end. The front end is a part where the client can see, that is the computer user. This includes the client's network and the applications used access the cloud via user interface such as a web browser. And the back end of the cloud computing architecture is the cloud itself, comprising various computers, servers, and data storage devices. Components of cloud computing. The main and important components of cloud computing are as follows. This is the SaaS, is like software as a server, and utility computing, cloud-based web services, MSP, and IaaS, infrastructure as a services. Coming to SaaS refers to the softwares that's made available to the web-based services. And the utility-based computing, this is a predecessor of cloud computing. Utility and other computing provides, which the ability can access to storage and virtual services on demand. And advantages of cloud computing. There are many advantages of cloud computing, and let me discuss a few important advantages of cloud computing. Flexibility, low cost, speed and scales, easier management of data information, and device diversity. In flexibility, this is a high rate and it is flexible for the users. Low cost. Companies can save a big employing cloud computing as it's eliminate cost for the hardware and software. Device diversity, we can access our application and data anywhere in the world on any system. And coming to the disadvantages of cloud computing, the dependencies, risk, and the security, migration issues. The dependencies is one of the major disadvantages of cloud computing, is user dependencies on the provider. Risk. Coming to risk, cloud computing services means taking services from remote services. Security and privacy are the biggest concern about the cloud computing. And the conclusion, in conclusion, users of cloud computing became more easier to the users and the organization. At a single place we can access each and every functionality that what an organization or a user needed, can get it in a split of second. And even it is a cheaper that most of the companies can afford and utilize the resources of cloud computing. Thank you.